In today's video, we've got a really cool accessory for your Tesla. So let's not waste any time and let's get straight to it. So after the last video on the best Model 3 accessories, which if you still haven't checked out is linked right here, a lot of you requested that we keep bringing you these cool Tesla accessories to really spice up how your Tesla looks. So what we'll be checking out today is these cool LED ambient lights for the interiors of your Tesla. Now, a secret between you and me, Mona actually doesn't know about these lights. So how about we get it installed, all set up, and check out her reactions? Let's go. Alright, so before we get started, let's check out what came in the box for this particular kit. So here in the box, it seems we've got two LED light strips, which is one for the center console right here, which goes around the silver trim, and one for the front dash, which goes underneath the air vents. You also have this cable and the 12-volt adapter, which actually plugs in into the socket under this armrest right here. So that'll be pretty handy. There's also some 3M tape, which I presume is for sticking the strip for the front dash. And here we have a spludger, some black tape, and a screwdriver. That'll be interesting to see what that's for. And some plasticky caps, which I presume are just for covering up the ends of those LED strips. Cool, let's get onto the installation. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just take this LED strip and start inserting it from one end in between the gap of the trim of the center console. So let's see how this goes. It actually seems pretty easy to slide in. You find the gap and it just slides right in, which is nice. And this is where we get to the tricky part. So right in the corner here is when things get a little bit tight. So this is probably where you need your spludger to just separate out the two parts and feed that wire in through those gaps. So let's give this a shot. Alright, so this seems to be all done, and I've got the extra bit of wire just put in the storage box here for now. And what I'll do now is put the 3M tape on the second LED strip and show you once we start putting it on the front. Alright, so we've got the double-sided tape installed on our LED light strip. So what we're going to do is start from the passenger side and start putting it under the dash trim right here and take it all the way across the driver's side. So let's do this. Once you get to the end, first thing you have to do is actually to pry this cover off right here so we can feed the wire through there, keep it nice and hidden. So let me take this off. And then what you want to do is actually to cut some of the edging off the edge to get it across this gap and fit it into this panel right here. So you also don't want this extra bit hanging out. So what you can do is you can just cut it off right here, and that's going to be the bit that feeds into our silver sockets, which we'll get to soon. Alright, so once that's all done, what you want to do is grab one of the silver ends of your light socket, and you will see that there's a hole to feed that LED through, and there's also a screw here to tighten it up. So what we want to do now is just push it through that hole, screw it nice and tight, and then you just loop this extra bit of silver wiring through here. And I'm going to use my prying tool to take this wire through the bottom panel and feed it right through to this rubber seal. And you just take it through underneath there. So let's take our cover and actually put it back on. Just push it right through. Nice and clean. Awesome. Alright, so after having taken the wire through underneath the seal, I've taken it all the way across through the door here, through this gap, then back underneath this panel here. You can see it popping out there, then nicely underneath this carpet so it's hidden away. Pushed it right through the carpet there, moved it along and carried it across the trim panel right into the center console box. So now that the front is done, let's get to finishing off some installation in our center console. So what I'll do is I'll finish trimming off the excess bit of LED plastic light through here. So once you're done trimming it all up, you can just grab the second silver end of the control unit and feed through the LED light. Tighten up the screw once again. So once that's done, what you want to do is grab the control unit of the light, feed through the adapter and push it through the 12-volt socket. So you'll see that the 12-volt socket is right there. Just open it up, feed it through. And now, if everything is installed correctly, if we push this button, we should see a pop of color come through. Let's test it out. Voila, there we go. That looks nice and pretty. So I know it's a little bright, so you probably can't see much just yet, but what we'll do is we'll check this out again later tonight when we surprise Mona with this and see how she reacts. All right, let's see what Mona thinks. Hey Mona, can you come here for a second, please?
What's up? What's up? What?
I've done something to Hedwig.
What did you do to Hedwig?
Can you have a look, please?
Did you open her up? Wait, why is Hedwig glowing? Wait, can I turn the lights
No,
on?
no, leave the lights off. Just go check inside the car.
Wait, what? There's lights in there. No. Wait, what? How is Hedwig?
What do you think?
What? That looks so cool. Wait, are there more? Wait, what?
You want more?
Yes?
No, sorry, it's just those two.
Oh my god, that looks super cool. Wait, why is it blue?
You can actually change colors.
Oh,
What do you think?
that looks so awesome. It's so nice and bright.
Do you like it?
I do like it. I can change colors?
Yes, you can.
How? Is it from the system?
No, let me jump on the other side and I'll show you how it works.
Okay, oh my god, that looks super cool. Oh my god, okay, so I totally love this. These are gorgeous. Now you said I can change colors, so how do I do that?
Yep, so there's actually an app that controls these lights.
Gimme.
Here you go.
Alright.
And there's a bunch of colors to choose from.
Ooh, it went yellow. Ooh, green. Yucky green, but ooh, magenta. Oh, purple. I like.
It actually has a bunch of effects as well. If you go to the second tab down the
Oh,
bottom.
styles. Okay. Ooh, okay. What is jumping colors? Oh, it changes. Oh my god, that is so awesome.
And I think you can
Ooh.
adjust the speed as well.
No, really?
Yep.
Okay, wait, let me, there we go, and speed. This is on 13 too. Okay, that's super slow. 68. Oh, nice. I like. Wait, what is this? What is strobe? Whoa, this is super cool. It's a fade. What's a fade? Oh, I like this. It feels like it's breathing if you slow the slow down. Okay, cool. That's nice.
Nice and smooth.
Very. Okay, what is music? Can I play music?
Yeah, try it. Oh, look.
Ooh!
It's Christmas time.
Oh my god, that's super awesome. It changes colors. That is super nice. Okay, what is mic?
So
If I talk, it changes colors.
Yep, so you can actually have any music playing in your Tesla.
Oh!
And then the
pitch
lights will
changes.
react to the waves of the music.
And the pitch, which is super nice. That is super cool. All right. Oh, I like these. I think for like everyday use, I think I'd like the fade because it feels like it's breathing and you can just like leave it and it keep changing colors. I like it. Wait, that changed. Oh, that's a strobe effect. What is this strobe?
So what are your thoughts? How would you rate this?
Hey, look, it's party in the car. I like it. This is super awesome. I think I might just leave it on strobe and just party in the car. But no! Oh my god, thank you so much for this awesome surprise. I like it. I really do. If you guys enjoyed it as well, please let us know in the comments below. What is your favorite color? What you would leave in your car? Make sure to give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And we will see you guys next week. Till then, stay charged. I'm gonna go party in my car.